What if I told you that the version of you who wins, who dominates, who walks into every room with silent power and unshakable confidence, already exists, but he's been waiting for you to stop playing small? Right now, somewhere in your future, there's a day where people speak your name with respect, where your bank account reflects discipline, where your body shows sacrifice, where your mind is sharp like a blade. And on that day, you will look back at this exact moment and realize this was the turning point. Not because the world changed, not because someone saved you, not because luck found you, but because something inside you snapped and said enough. It's time to dominate. Not compete, not survive. Dominate. Dominate your excuses. Dominate your fear. Dominate your laziness. Dominate your doubts. Because let's be honest, you're not tired, you're distracted. You're not weak, you're undisciplined. You're not unlucky, you're inconsistent. And the world doesn't reward potential, it rewards execution. Every day you wake up with two voices in your head. One says sleep a little more, scroll a little more, wait a little more. And the other says get up, build, fight, focus. The difference between average and unstoppable is which voice you obey. Domination begins the moment you stop negotiating with weakness. You don't need motivation, you need standards. The lion doesn't wake up motivated, he wakes up hungry. And hunger is different. Hunger doesn't ask how you feel. Hunger doesn't care about comfort. Hunger moves even when it's tired. If you want to dominate, you must become dangerous to your old self. You must look at your habits and say, you don't control me anymore. Because the truth is brutal. Nobody is coming. No secret mentor. No magical opportunity. No sudden confidence injection. The world is cold, competitive, and crowded. And if you don't decide to rise, you will be replaced by someone who did. There is someone right now training harder than you. There is someone studying while you're scrolling. There is someone building while you're complaining. And one day when the opportunity appears, they will be ready, and you won't. That should scare you. That should ignite you. Because domination is not loud at first. It's quiet. It's the 5 a.m. alarm you don't snooze. It's the extra rep when your muscles burn. It's the chapter you read when your eyes are heavy. It's the business idea you start before you feel ready. It's the apology you don't wait for. It's the discipline nobody claps for. That's where power is built. In silence. And here's the twist. The pain you avoid today will become the regret you carry tomorrow. Regret is heavier than effort. Regret whispers at night. Regret shows you the life you could have lived. Regret is the enemy of domination. So if you're going to suffer, suffer forward. Let your pain build you. Let rejection sharpen you. Let failure educate you. Every loss is a lesson if your ego doesn't block it. The most dangerous person in the world is not the most talented. It's the one who refuses to quit. Talent fades. Motivation fluctuates. But obsession? Obsession rewrites destiny. You want to dominate? Then fall in love with improvement. Track your progress. Study your weaknesses. Attack them daily. Turn your phone from a distraction into a weapon. Turn your body into armor. Turn your mind into a fortress. Because once your mind is controlled, nothing outside can defeat you. You don't dominate by shouting, you dominate by mastering yourself. Control your mornings. Control your habits. Control your reactions. When someone insults you, stay calm. When someone doubts you, stay focused. When someone leaves you, stay building. Emotional control is power, and power is quiet. Understand this. The world respects results, not excuses. Nobody cares why it was hard. Everyone has problems. Everyone has trauma. Everyone has responsibilities. The question is simple. Will you use your story as fuel or as a crutch? The same fire that melts wax-hardened steel. Which one are you? You say you want to win, but are you willing to be misunderstood? Are you willing to be alone for a while? Are you willing to sacrifice comfort, parties, distractions, validation? Because domination requires isolation before celebration. First you build in silence, then you shock them with noise. And there will be days you feel like quitting. Days your progress feels invisible. Days you question everything. That's the test. Anybody can grind when they feel inspired. Champions grind when they feel nothing. When it's boring. When it's repetitive. When nobody notices. That's where separation happens. That's where you pull ahead. And one day, suddenly, people will call you lucky. They won't see the nights you stayed up learning. They won't see the workouts when your body screamed. They won't see the discipline when temptation knocked. They will only see the result. Let them. Because domination was never about proving them wrong. It was about proving yourself right. The real battle is internal. It's you versus your comfort zone. You versus your fear of embarrassment. You versus your addiction to easy dopamine. If you can conquer that battlefield, the external world becomes simple. And remember, confidence is not something you wait to feel. It's something you build through action. You don't think your way into domination, you work your way into it. Every small promise you keep to yourself becomes a brick in your foundation. Break enough promises, and your self-trust collapses. Keep enough promises, and you become unstoppable. Start small if you must, but start violently consistent. 10 push-ups every day. 10 pages every day. 1 idea every day. 1 improvement every day. Stack wins. Momentum is magic. Once you feel progress, you crave it. Once you taste growth, average becomes disgusting. Raise your standards so high that your old life feels uncomfortable. And don't announce your moves. Move in silence. Let them think you're chilling. Let them think you're the same. Meanwhile, you're transforming. New skills, new mindset, new discipline. 1 year of focused domination can change your entire bloodline. Read that again. 1 year. 365 days of obsession. No excuses. No drama. No wasting time. Imagine who you could become. Stronger body. Sharper mind. Bigger income. Unshakable confidence. That version of you is not fantasy. It's a decision away. The decision to stop being casual about your future. Casual effort creates casual results. Serious effort creates serious outcomes. You want dominance? Then operate differently. Wake up before the world. Plan your day. Attack your priorities first. Protect your energy. Cut off negativity. Limit distractions. Invest in skills. Surround yourself with growth. And most importantly, execute daily. Not perfectly. Not dramatically. Consistently. Because consistency beats intensity when intensity is rare. And understand something deeper. Domination is not about crushing others. It's about maximizing yourself. It's about walking into your potential fully realized. It's about turning pain into power. It's about becoming the kind of person problems are afraid of. When chaos hits, you don't panic, you adapt. When pressure rises, you don't fold, you perform. That's dominance. Emotional strength, mental endurance, physical resilience, financial intelligence, spiritual grounding. You build all of it brick by brick. And yes, it's hard. Good. It's supposed to be. Easy paths lead to crowded destinations. Hard paths lead to rare air. If you feel resistance, you're close to growth. If you feel fear, you're near expansion. Lean into it. The comfort zone is a slow death. It feels safe, but steals your future. Step out. Take risks. Bet on yourself. Fail fast. Learn faster. Improve relentlessly. And never forget, the person who can delay gratification controls the game. Can you say no to pleasure today for power tomorrow? Can you skip the distraction for the dream? Can you trade temporary comfort for permanent respect? That's the trade. And winners make it daily. Visualize your future self, watching you right now. Is he proud or disappointed? Use that image as fuel. Because domination is earned in the unseen hours. When nobody's watching. when nobody's praising, when it's just you and your discipline. That's where legends are formed, not in applause, but in solitude. So from this moment forward, decide that average is no longer acceptable. Decide that excuses expire today. Decide that your name will mean something. And then back it up with action so relentless that doubt has no space to breathe. Train your body until it obeys. Train your mind until it focuses. Train your habits until they serve you. Turn yourself into a weapon of consistency. And when setbacks come, because they will, smile. Because now you understand the game. Obstacles are not stop signs, they are checkpoints. Pass them. Learn from them. Use them. Keep moving. Keep building. Keep evolving. And one day, without even realizing it, you will wake up and see that the things that once intimidated you now feel small. The goals that once felt impossible now feel routine. The fear that once controlled you now feels laughable.